The Ben Kinsella Trust is an educational charity set up by my family after the tragic murder of my brother Ben in 2008. He was just 16 when he went out one night and never came home again. Our mission is to educate young people on the consequences of knife crime and to campaign for action and justice for those affected. Our workshops are preventative and unique, and we use a wide variety of immersive learning experiences. They dispel the myths around knife crime and knife carrying, and they teach young people about the link between choices and consequences. They have been proven to change young people's attitudes and values, and to ensure that knife carrying is seen as socially unacceptable amongst peer groups. Our interactive workshops include facilitated activities, role play, immersive theatrical spaces, powerful films, and visual displays. But most importantly, they provide a safe space for young people to explore this complex issue and to understand that knife crime is not inevitable. We share Ben's story, but also other stories of young people and their families who have been devastated by knife crime to show the potential impact that choosing to carry a knife can have.
Today I learned that carrying a knife would be one of the most dangerous things to ever do because you never know what's going to happen.
I learned that you should never bring a knife to defend yourself because you can get a criminal record.
And I didn't even do anything. I just hid the knife and encouraged a bit of fight, and that is it.
And do you know there isn't a day that goes by where I don't think about it? I think of his family, I think of my family, how I let them down.
Clearly, knife crime is something that is of concern to our pupils. They expressed that at the start, and I think they have learnt today that this is not necessarily something to be fearful of, but there are ways they can keep themselves safe and things they can do to make sure they don't get caught up in knife crime themselves. This is so informative and useful for the children, and it covers the really important topic area in a way that we just could not do inside the classroom.
We are a young people's charity, and they are at the heart of everything we do because ultimately we know and believe that they are the ones that are going to make the change. So we want to empower them and give them the tools and the knowledge to go out there into their communities and help us to stop knife crime.